Can you put one more time the words? So we repeat in the words and the tango, and I hope that you can see that we are not stressed here. If I am stressed here, it's because Monica push and pull me, but I am perfect. Perfect. In Italy, we said, all the chicken, good eggs. Very good one, good eggs. Good eggs, very good. Very good. So, I hope, I don't know, that you see us together, but no tension in the top part of the body. In this way, we can leave our swing and we can touch the music. Tango is more complicated, a little bit, because the music is more fast. But we have the system, the same priority. Don't keep the lady, don't keep the man. Change the position around the partner very quickly. This is important. If you pull or push, we turn very slowly to change the position. So, we ending into a little bit tango again.
First, we are so happy to be here because a nice training camp, nice couples, nice audience, and in our lecture we spoke about the tension during the dance, because sometimes the couple during the dance not stay a lot in a balance, and the man push and pull the man, and the lady push and pull the man, sorry, and the couple ending with the tension in the top part of the body. So, and we talk about how it's possible to dance the dynamic action and not tension in the top part of the body. And this is possible if the man continue to stay in the balance and leave the lady in a hair balance. This is very important for us.
What trends do you see for the standard dancing in the next year?
Every year the dance change a little bit. And I remember many years ago, for example, the choreography was more easy. Every year I can see the couple improve the speed, the dynamic action, and also the choreography. Also the position is more three-dimensional, and this is a good, because I love to create the style for the future, but it's very difficult to create a correct harmony with the men in relation to the ladies.
Monique and Michelle, thank you very much. I know the next couple is waiting for you. Have a good time. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Danke.
Thank you.